Hello all my love. Today I have a new recipe again to show you guys. I have a new recipe and this is some ingredient of it. You can look at by yourself. I will clear and tell you step by step about all of these ingredients when we start to cook. So now if you want to know more about this cooking, so please be careful to watch from the start until the end of my video. So now let me start to cook. This is salt. We add salt like this on fish to reduce the dirty of our fish. And then this is lemongrass. We put lemongrass on mouth of fish like this to reduce the dirty of it too. This is crispy everyone, so now we start to make crispy with the fish like this. So now we start to fry fish. First we put oil. That's it. So now while we are wet our fish, we make chili sauce. To eat with our fish. This garlic, then chili, So now our fish is already cooked, so we can eat, but we make chili sauce first and then we will eat our fish with chili sauce. Wow, it looks like so yummy. Even though we do not yet much the chili sauce on it, but it looks like so yummy. So now we make chili sauce. Then this garlic and also chili. Sugar palm. Add some cheese. Oyster sauce. Fish sauce. Lemon. So now we will add our chili sauce on it like this. Wow, it looks like so yummy. Ooh, everyone, eat with me. It's so yummy. Wow. Eat with me. You can learn how to do it by follow my video from the start until the end of the video. It's really easy to cook, everyone, but we have a yummy food like this to eat. It is just my tasting, but it is so yummy and yummy. So now let me say goodbye, everyone. But everyone, please help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more video about a yummy food like this, a yummy recipe, and also the lifestyle in countryside too. So now let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.